Nobody voted for us, and we got 100.
No one was third. Okay. In today's video, I just wanted to
blue.
Obsessed with blue. Okay, and I'm KE67, as my sister was gonna say. What does KE667 stand for? Stands for Keely. We have a sister called Keely, and she doesn't play anymore. Keely doesn't play anymore, so I get to keep her account. Haley, your turn.
Oops, I just shouldn't stand up and put it in.
The other way. Oh my God, you're a weirdo.
Sorry, my hand is not good with the cameras, apparently.
Look at the reflection, Sarah.
There.
Haley, if you guys, by the way, can you send us mail time, please? We haven't had it since a long time. We want mail time, please. Send us mail time.
I'm Sarah70. Sarah70. Send me some mail, and I'll send back. Or write back.
Please, guys, send us mail. Please give us epic stuff. We've been scammed more times than anyone. We lost rare stuff. Like, I lost my rare spike, and then...
See? You usually get 50.
Yes, Haley. And then we lost a lot of stuff, so please gift us because we lose a lot of stuff. We always get scammed.
My one's Haley.
My rare spike and wristband got scaled because she said she was going to trade me a long black, but she lied, so...
And I want a long black.
Sorry, guys. Guys, if you send me a long black, I will give you all of my clothes.
And
like,
so she...
literally everything.
And so she... And, so it was a scam. She said, I'll trade you, I'll trade you yellow long for blue, pink spike. And she said trade, mail it. And I said, sure. And then she just went off and she locked it in and I got locked out.
And by the way, guys, this little girl right here, she really wants a blue one because she got a blue long because she got badly scammed. She got scammed. One headdress, one spike. Well,
actually, well, I did have
I did have everything good except now.
I'm the only snow leopard here.
I did have a head.
Same.
I did have a headdress.
Twinsies.
Twinsies.
Me there. Her.
I did have a headdress last time, but same thing as trade. She wanted she said I'll trade you. I'll trade you.
I voted for her. She voted for me.
I'll trade you a black long if you trade me headdress. And I did.
Haley, sure.
She said fast trade me, and I did. And I clicked on the wrong thing. She said yes. But then she gave
it. Flash trade people.
And then she gave it back, and then I got scammed because I got a blue long. Well, I had a blue long, and I was hoping to get a black long. So she said mail the headdress, and I did, and I didn't get a black long. So
by the way, guys, only flash trade people that like flash trade someone a founder. But you'll only flash trade someone like a founder or anything good like that. You can only flash trade them like that if they're really close. If they're really close best friends. Otherwise, your inventory is
Haley,
gone.
what's your name? What's your name in Animal Jam?
Haley 660.
Yours?
KEE667. Sarah70.
Sarah70. And I had to do this because I knew the camera wasn't looking at me. So I usually just make it reflect so I know if I'm looking.
It's actually looking at you.
Yeah.
No, it's looking at me, but anyway. So
guys,
we're
send us mail.
gonna end this video by watching Animal Jam.
Yeah. Please send us mail time because we really want stuff. Good.
And we're gonna end this
look at our sister's inventory. See how badly she got scammed. She used to have a full list. Show them your list. She used to have a full list, and now she just those are fan stuff, but those stuff are my stuff, but the sword isn't.
So now we're gonna end the video by sorry.
Hope you like our faces.
So now we're gonna end our video by ending with a video of Animal Jam, and
By the
hope
way,
you
guys,
like.
I'm making another video, and I'm getting. Not allowed to tell them. Okay, I'm gonna make a video on what I'm getting. See you on my next video.
Okay, so now we're gonna end the video, and hope you enjoy. Bye.
Bye. But you just said bye. Okay, guys. Sorry, we're doing an Animal Jam video. Bye. Okay. Now.
No, we said we're gonna end this by watching Animal Jam.
Yo, my best friend till the very end. Cause best friends don't have to pretend. You need a hand, and I'm right there.
By the way, Sarah70 is a camera girl.
Time, sticking up the house. All of the times that you had your doubts. And don't forget all the trouble we got into. We got something you can undo.
Okay, guys. I need to tell you something.
Loud things so hard. Crashed your dad's car. All the stars we share. Promise, I swear, wherever you go, just always remember that you got a home for now, forever. And if you get low, just call me whenever. This is my ode to you. Wherever you go, just always remember you're never alone.
Deleted scenes.
And please give Death mail time because we really need some.
Yeah, Haley. Another deleted scenes by Haley660.
Well, I was not supposed to go in my mouth. It was supposed to stick on my forehead. So I never poke your tongue out when it's on your forehead. It falls into your mouth. Guys, I just fell off the chair again. If you hear that sound, if you hear this sound, sorry guys, I love doing this. If you hear this sound, that means I fell off the chair.
Sarah70. Sarah70. Deleted scenes. Okay. So my name is Sarah70.
I got it! I fell off the chair again for once. No, I fell off twice.
Okay, guys. So that's it for today. Sarah70 is the camera holder girl. Talker.
Show me again that I'm
And like.
Show me. Show them I'm the talker too.
Okay, so Haley just made a funny thing. Look.
Eat the camera, Mom.
And she just made a funny emotion too. Okay, guys, I swear this is. Okay, guys, I swear this is the end of the. I swear this is the end of the video. Bye. Hope you enjoyed.
Ready? Guys, look at me
Okay.
now. Sarah, show them. Yes. Show me them dancing. This.
Okay, guys, this is the end. Bye. This is the end. I promise. Bye.
This is not the end. This is not the end. Bye bye. Now it is.
Just the beginning.